Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to cancel Moltbot subscription. If you've subscribed to a Moltbot service and no longer wish to continue cancelling your subscription, is usually straightforward. Once you know where you signed up, since Moltbot itself is an open source AI tool, most paid subscriptions come from the third-party platform, and this guide explains all the possible way to cancel your Moltbot subscription safely and correctly. And over here what you can do is unlock your phone and tap to the setting. Over here what you can do is search your subscription and select it here and scroll through. If you have any subscription of the Moltbot, you'll see the details like subscription plan, renewal date. Here you can tap the cancel subscription anytime. If prompted, tap confirm to complete the cancellation, and your Moltbot subscription will not renew. You can still use the premium features until the end of the current billing period. Apple will not change again. You'll receive a confirmation from the phone and cancel at least 24 hours before renewal to avoid being charged, and keep a screenshot of the cancellation confirmation and make sure you logged in with the same ID you subscribed. And cancelling a Moltbot subscription on your iPhone is quick and easy when done through settings. Once cancelled, your access continue until the billing period ends and no further payments will be taken. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.